Hey, beautiful learner. Welcome to Learn English with Emma. Today we have a full shadowing session. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time as me. It's the fastest way to train your speaking muscles, pronunciation, and rhythm. Ready? Let's begin. Make sure you have water nearby and a quiet space. We're going deep today. Repeat after me. Speak loudly. Copy my rhythm. Don't worry about mistakes. Sentences. I am ready. I feel confident today. This is my voice. I learn new words every day. English is getting easier. I can speak slowly. I can speak faster. My mouth is training. My English is improving. I am proud of myself. If you're enjoying this, press like and comment, I am ready. It helps me make more shadowing videos for you. Instructions. Let's shadow sentences with emotion. Copy my tone and stress. Sentences. I'm so excited. I can't believe this happened. I feel calm and relaxed. Today is amazing. I am proud of myself. I am nervous but brave. Wow, this is wonderful. I feel happy and strong. I am ready for anything. I feel peaceful. If your voice is feeling stronger, hit like and comment your favorite sentence. It encourages me to create more long shadowing sessions. Instructions. Now we practice longer sentences. Focus on rhythm, linking, and intonation. Sentences. Even when life feels difficult, I remind myself to keep moving. Improving my English is a journey I enjoy step by step. Every day I speak English, I grow more confident. Mistakes are not failures, they are lessons. Listening carefully and repeating will make me fluent. I trust myself to speak naturally and clearly. English is fun when I practice every single day. My tongue and mouth are training to speak smoothly. I feel confident when I speak English aloud. Today, I practice with joy and energy. Feeling your mouth moving faster? Comment, I am fluent, and share this video with a friend who wants to practice English too. Instructions. We will speak sentences faster than before. Don't worry if you can't catch every word, keep trying. I love learning English and improving every day. The weather is beautiful and I enjoy being outside. Practicing daily will make my speaking natural. Mistakes are okay, I learn from them every time. Speaking fast helps me think in English. I can repeat everything after Emma, even quickly. Shadowing makes my mouth and brain work together. Listening and repeating is fun and effective. I am growing every day with practice. English is becoming easier and more natural. Let's slow down and enjoy the last few minutes. Focus on clarity and pronunciation. Today I did my best. Repeat again. I am proud of my effort. My voice is calm and clear. I enjoy learning English. I feel relaxed and confident. Practicing slowly helps me remember. I am improving every day. My English is stronger than yesterday. Shadowing makes me better. I am ready for tomorrow's practice. Congratulations! If you made it this far, comment, I finished, and subscribe for more long shadowing sessions with me. Now we shadow stories. Speak exactly as I read, match my speed and rhythm. Story 1. The Forest Adventure. A boy named Liam walks through a dense forest. He hears a strange rustling behind the tall trees. Curious, he steps closer and sees a small fox staring at him. Liam smiles, thinking how brave the fox looks. Suddenly, the fox runs away, and Liam discovers a hidden path filled with wildflowers. He follows the path, enjoying the soft sunlight and the sounds of birds. As he walks, he finds a small stream and throws stones, listening to the water splash. Finally, he sits under a large oak tree, feeling calm and peaceful, knowing he had a small adventure just by stepping outside. Story 2. Anna's Kitchen Surprise. Anna is baking a chocolate cake in her cozy kitchen. She carefully mixes flour, sugar, and cocoa powder. She adds eggs and milk, stirring slowly. Suddenly, she spills some milk on the floor. Anna laughs, wipes it up, and continues baking. The smell of chocolate fills the air. She decorates the cake with strawberries and chocolate shavings. Her little brother walks in, tasting the frosting, and smiles widely. Anna feels proud of her work, realizing that small mistakes don't ruin anything. They make the day fun and memorable. Story 3. Tom's Park Adventure. Tom visits the park early in the morning. Children are playing football, laughing, and running. A dog chases a ball and runs past Tom. He decides to join the kids and plays for a few minutes. Tom feels joy in the fresh air, listening to birds chirping above. He notices an old bench under a tree and sits for a moment, reflecting on life. A gentle breeze touches his face. He watches the sun rise higher, casting long shadows over the grass. Tom smiles, feeling grateful for small moments that make the day special. Story 4. Emma's Rainy Day. Emma wakes up to the sound of rain tapping on her window. She makes a cup of tea and sits by the window, watching raindrops race down the glass. She wraps herself in a warm blanket and opens a book. The aroma of tea fills the room. Outside, children splash in puddles, laughing and enjoying the rain. Emma feels a deep sense of calm and happiness, understanding that rainy days can be magical if you take a moment to enjoy them. She writes a short story about the scene, capturing every detail of her peaceful morning. Wow, you did it! Your mouth might be tired, but your English is stronger. Remember, practice every day, even a little, is better than nothing. See you in the next video. Emma is proud of you.